Congratulations!
Thank you po. Dapat makasama kita sa Tivo ay sa Arpo.
Ako mga mananayo na sobrang sipag na nag-practice, pinapakita talaga namin yung pamilya. And especially sa coaches namin, Sir Frank, and lahat po na nag-support na nagtulong sa Sir Frank na nagtulong sa amin. So, ayun lang po, and good luck po sa ibang team.
Okay.
Ito yung
Sa
iba
ibang
na ba tayo?
So, ito na naman ako sa Palawan
Meron man ng
National
grade 7.
School. Okay. Ituruan sila. Okay, so ang tanong natin, ano yung mga preparation na ginawa ninyo para dito sa Pinasayaw?
First of all po, I want to thank to our coach, which is Sir Leo John Gulani. We put a lot of sacrifices in here po, such as academic pressure and also yung money po namin para money namin take namin dito para sa aming competition. And yung mga maraming sacrifices, pero all of that po is really worth it to have a great memories with all of you. And also, yun na lang po.
Yan, yung memories talaga nila, samahan, di ba?
Yes, the memories. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa...
Kayo ng pagod talaga na, grabe energetic pa rin talaga ng mga kabataan, no? Dito naman tayo sa likod. Okay. Sige, ayan, pinakabayan. Anong natutunan ninyo? Okay, dito sa Pinasayaw. Sino pong sasagot? Ano po yung natutunan ninyo? Di ba nag-prepare kayo? So ano mga natutunan ninyo? Yung sa time nagka-practice kayo?
I will use these opportunities na rin po to thank our advisor, coaches, and our school head. Thank you po for these opportunities na nakasayo kami sa Division Festival of Talent. Yung sa question mo po is, yung mga lessons po na natututunan po namin sa Pinasayaw na ito po is, hindi lang po about sa pagsasayaw or dito rin
San Jose National High School. The coach of Santa Monica National High School. The coach of San Miguel National High School.
May coach ng Bakungan National High School at syempre ang ating Mangingisda National High School.
And the coach of Puerto Princesa City National High School. Preparations really nag-happen.
Sa preparation po, base po din sa guidance, technically, kailangan talagang polish na ng ano po. So, kailangan undergo ng mga skill training para mas proper yung ginagawa ng mga bata. At the same time, yung crafting ng mga pieces ay kailangan talagang akma sa kung ano hinihingi ng ano. Kaya medyo mahirap siyang buuhin. And isa pa sa mga struggle namin ay financial struggle din kasi wala kami maging source of fund, kundi sarili namin isa. At the same time, may mga teachers na nagiging problem ng mga bata kapag nag-request ng excuse and everything. Talagang naman problema kami, excuse sila. Pero I would like to thank sa aming administrators, especially sa aming school head, si Sir Jabel. He's very considerate na pinapayagan kami to stay overtime para mas maayos po yung aming performance. And I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my Dipot Babies and my Art of Babies. Maraming salamat sa mga buhay nyo. Hindi ko kaya kayo, walang dipot, walang armbot, walang ano. Walang masabi, basta bahala na po, may the best team win.
Thank you so much, sir. Competition.
Let us first recognize the special awards for Best in Opening Salvo, given the group that demonstrated outstanding creativity, coordination, and overall stage presentation. The nominees for the Best in Opening Salvo in the Sayaw competition are San Miguel National High School, Bacuran National High School, Palawan National School, Santa Monica National High School, San Jose National High School, Puerto Princesa City National Science High School, Mangingisda National High School.
Presenting the awards for 2026 Pinasayaw Competition, Best in Opening Salvo is Antonieta C. Miguel.
Alright, with me is Miss Fritz. The 2026 and first Dapat Puerto Princesa City Picoy Awards for Pinasayaw Best in Opening Salvo goes to Palawan National School. Head coach John Leo E. Balane. Congratulations.
Pinasayaw Picoy Award. Second runner-up are Jack Paul Camana, Catherine J. Humpilia. Giving the plaque, medals, and check are Alfredo Amor A. Mabano and Christian Mabales.
Init daw, oh. Grabe galing ni Jella. Sir B-Boy! Sa SPFL talaga yun.
The 2026 and first Dapat Puerto Princesa City Picoy Awards for Pinasayaw second runner-up goes to contestant number 7. Yes. Coach Lorraine Masira. School Mangisda National High School and Principal Sir Hernandez Tomato. Congratulations.
For the Pinasayaw competition is the Division Festival of Talent Picoy Award first runner-up. Presenting the award for 2026 Pinasayaw Picoy Award first runner-up are Hazel Ann Ritana, Dwight Jasper Lorgo. Given the plaque, medals, and check are Alfredo Amor A. Magbanwa, Christian Cabales.
Princesa City Picoy Awards for Pinasayaw. First runner-up goes to contestant number 3. Coach Genevieve A. Berezo. From Simon Bolivar High School. Congratulations, everyone.
Ako ni Dandra, okay naman. Tanong may mga palikpik.
Now, the award for the Pinasayaw competition. The Profession Festival of Talents Picoy Award Champion. Presenting the award for 2026 Pinasayaw Picoy Award is Dr. Cyril C. Senador. Given the plaque, medals, and check are our esteemed judges.
Lord. Nararamiyak na.
The champion for this 2026 and first Dapat Puerto Princesa City Picoy Awards for Pinasayaw. Our champion goes to wala dito. Our champion goes to contestant number 1.
lahat ng ating dancers. All dancers, please come up on stage for our photo opportunity. Again, all dancers, kindly come up on stage
Finish na muna tayo. Ayan.
Okay.
Okay, dancers, performers, picture po muna tayo.
Sige po, dito po sa stage. Lahat ng ating dancers,
Okay,
participating
harap po kayo
schools.
sa camera. Doon na po kayo magharap. Yan. Kasi hindi po tayo kakasya sa stage. Si Pwede ba sa baba naman?
Okay, sige, ayusin natin. Ayan, sige, upo kayo. Okay.
Also, that's our radio. Coaches, lahat po ng mga sumali for D1, baka pa-enjoy na po lahat tayo ngayon. Family picture. Family picture.
Yeah.
Congratulations everyone. Robinson's Play, Palawan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Okay. Alright. Congratulations to all our winners and also congratulations to all of our participating schools.
Yung lahat po na...
Congrats!